Hi everyone, my name is Irvin again. I'm here at King Auto Repair with my good friend Moises. What's up, brother? Is coming all the way from
Riverside.
Riverside. We have customers from all over the place. But he was funny because he told me, hey, you know what? My AC is making a weird noise when you turn it on. And I said, yeah, and it smells super bad. So I went ahead and pulled out the cabinet filter for him, and let's see what happened. Oh man, that looks so bad. Look at that. It's filthy, it's super bad. So what happened is like a leaf get caught inside the propeller on the how does it called? Oh, I forgot. Oh my god. Well, the fan blade. It gets caught there, and that's why it's making that noise. And it smells super bad when you turn on the AC. So if you have those symptoms, I suggest you to take it to Kingdom Auto Repair, and we'll pull out the cabinet filter for you, and we will show you why it's smelling so bad and why it's making that noise. All right. So thank you, Moises, for coming. You want to say something? You want to invite our customers?
Come to Kingdom Auto Repair from anywhere you live in Garden Grove, Anaheim, Riverside, San Bernardino, anywhere you live, Los Angeles even. It's worth the drive to come down here and get your car checked out.
Yeah, and he got a super deal today. All right. So stay tuned. All right. Thank you very much. God bless you.